All right, today I'm doing a little bit of video and a little bit of photo. Don't ask me what's this on my nose. I don't want to talk about it. Trying to pick up some B-roll, action shots, and a little bit of photo here and there. All right, so we just made it. I'm on a farm. First things first, I'm gonna get set up, put all my gear on. When you're shooting outside in broad daylight like this, you're gonna need something like a ND filter. This actually changes the exposure without having to change any of my camera settings. I'm shooting at 24 frames per second. Shutter speed is 1/50th, and my average f7. Adjust this a little bit. It gets darker and lighter. So I usually like to start off with some establishing shots. So I'm on the outside of this building and take some shots on the outside before I actually go inside. So a lot of these shots that I get initially consist of pushes, pulls, and pans, things like that, to kind of get a little bit of action, a little bit of movement into these shots. So now I'm going to switch over to 60 frames per second settings real quick to 60 frames per second. I'm going to change my shutter speed 1/25th of a second. Adjust my exposure by just bringing this down a little bit. There we go.